Alright, so we are getting ready to leave to go to, I have no idea how to say it.
Tukad Cepung.
Tukad Cepung. It is a waterfall in a cave. It's pretty well known on Instagram for the lighting that comes through the top of the cave, so let's see how it goes. Did you get that?
Okay.
Alright, so we were on our way to Tukad Cepung, I hope I said that right, and it started raining. And clearly we made the mistake of not checking the weather. So right now, we got Todd paying for entry, and we're gonna make the best of it. We'll see how it is. Hopefully there's not a lot of people. There's a lot of motorbikes up here and a couple cars, so we're hoping it's not slam packed full of people. These are not normal stairs walking down. Even though halfway down you have a really nice restaurant. You have a really nice restaurant, but... Can you stop vlogging so I can talk?
I don't understand why I just don't hand this to you.
Everywhere I go I feel like a robot. I got like a G7 in this hand, a 70D in this hand. I like can't touch anything. I just got so many cameras.
And I got nothing in my hand.
And I got a bag full of cameras on my back, and
no,
she's
sometimes I carry camera. Okay. Normally I'm supposed to carry this Canon G7X that you are holding, so give it to me. Wow. That is the entrance, and when you walk here, you will see that there's a big rock here, and you would probably think that it's the end of the cave, but there's some small way right there where Jimmy is walking through, and that's gonna lead us to the actual waterfalls.
This place is absolutely gorgeous, and as you can see behind me, this is a split off of the waterfall, like a little ways downstream. But you really feel like you're in the jungle. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, unlike any other waterfall that we have been to though.
Besides,
I mean, every waterfall in Bali gives all the jungle vibes, like real jungle.
But this is like,
vibes.
you gotta climb down a path and walk down a really steep dirt stairs.
Mind-blowing.
But it's really beautiful here, and if you bring a bathing suit, you get the chance to go in the waterfall and actually be like underneath the waterfall, and you get really cool pictures. I'd highly suggest coming here early in the morning. You get the sunrise as the sun peeks through the cave.
What do you find?
I'm rich. My dad always said, keep counting your change because your dollars will take care of themselves. man-made water. Right down there. That's where it goes. I don't know if it's fully man-made, but they definitely can stop the water very easily from going there with these dams they've built. Thank God for external batteries because my phone's dead, Ta's phone's dead, and we don't know how to get home. So invest in an external battery if you're going to be traveling. You never know if you need a GPS, especially when you don't know where you're going.